Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Voicemod and MagicMic. In order to do so, here we are at voicemod.net, and we're also at filmy.imyphone.com/voice changer. So if you look up MagicMic, that is where you're going to get redirected to. So it's a little bit more complex to get there. Voicemod, on the other hand, voicemod.net. And they both essentially do the same thing: a real-time voice changer and soundboard, a real-time AI voice changer, according to MagicMic as well. What does AI have to say? Well, according to AI, both Voicemod and MagicMic are real-time voice Voicemod focuses on a more traditional voice modulation experience with a variety of effects. Here's a more detailed comparison. Voicemod, the focus is a voice modulation software offering a variety of voice effects and profiles. The features include a wide range of voice effects, built-in voice profiles for different characters or scenarios, real-time voice changing capabilities, integration with various applications. The pros are it's good for creating a variety of unique and fun voice effects and user-friendly interface, and it offers a more traditional voice modulation experience. The cons: some users find the voice effects to be less realistic than MagicMic, and it also can be more expensive. MagicMic, on the other hand, the focus aims to provide a realistic and engaging audio experience with a wide array of AI-powered voice filters. Features include 100 plus AI voice filters, real-time voice changing capabilities, built-in voice module for playing voice games, designed for gaming, live streaming, and voice calls. The pros: it offers a wide range of AI-powered voice filters, focuses on creating a realistic and engaging audio experience, and a very user-friendly interface. The cons: some users can find the AI voice filters to be a bit too generic, and it can be less versatile than Voicemod for creating unique voice effects. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree, and there you will find our top recommendations for AI tools and some great promotions that you can take advantage of. You can find a link to Cider AI. Check that out. It's a wonderful tool that integrates with your Chrome browser, and it gives you access to the top chatbots available so that you can compare answers and get the answers you're looking for. You can also find a link to Centra AI. Centra AI is a fantastic tool that you can take advantage of that can really help your business grow. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.